So you know those AI assistants we're all so excited about? What if the very tools we're building to help us could actually be turned against us? Right now, we're seeing an absolute explosion of these AI agents, really powerful programs designed to interact with the real world. And this whole revolution is being powered by a brand new piece of tech that's quietly changing how AI connects to, well, everything.
And when I say explosion, I really mean it. By 2026, it's expected that a staggering 75% of enterprises will be using a new protocol called MCP. That kind of adoption is just lightning fast for a technology that's so new. So what is this thing exactly?
All right, so MCP, it stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's basically a universal language for AI agents. The best way to think about it is like HTTP for the web. It's the standard that lets all these different agents, plugins, outside tools, and data. And for anyone building in this space, a standard like this isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely essential.
But, and this is a huge but, in this frantic race to build and innovate, this incredible new standard has a massive, glaring blind spot, and it's one that could turn these super helpful agents into a serious problem.
This quote from a Stacklok research paper just perfectly nails the issue. See, the joke is there is no S in MCP. In the mad rush to make everything work together, security wasn't just an afterthought. It was basically left out of the equation entirely.
And the results is what researchers are calling a digital Wild West. We're talking thousands of these MCP servers, the things that connect the agents to the world, popping up online. Developers can install them with a single command, often with zero idea who actually built them or what they're really capable of. Each one is a potential backdoor into our most critical systems.
And listen, this isn't just some theoretical what-if scenario. When you give powerful tools this kind of unrestricted access, it's really only a matter of time before things go sideways. So let's look at the specific threats that are crawling out of this Wild West environment. First up, you've got tool poisoning. This one's pretty sneaky. An attacker can tweak a tool's description just enough to trick an AI into running a malicious command, like, say, shipping your private data off to some random server. Then there's weak provenance. I mean, if you don't know who built a tool, how on earth can you trust it? Overprivileged access might be the biggest one. By default, these agents are getting the keys to the entire kingdom when all they really need is the key to one single room. And finally, you have shadow AI, which is when employees use unvetted tools and unknowingly swing the company's doors wide open to massive risks.
And again, this stuff isn't just hypothetical. It's happening. A coding agent literally deleted a company's entire live production database. We've seen major data leaks, and even huge tools from GitHub and Google have been connected to accidentally deleting user data. The threat is 100% real.
Okay, so it sounds pretty bad, right? So how do we fix this? How do we tame the Wild West? Well, the good news is the tech community is already building the fences. Let's turn to the solutions that can help us build a much more secure future. The whole fix really boils down to one fundamental shift in mindset. We have to move away from this old idea of trust by default, where an agent just gets the keys to the castle from day one. The new standard has to be least privilege. All that means is an agent gets only the exact permissions it needs to do its job, and absolutely nothing more. And there's a framework out there called Agent Bound that's a perfect example of this new approach. You can honestly think of it like a personal bodyguard for your AI agents. It stands right between the agent and the system, making sure it plays by a very strict set of rules. The heart of how this bodyguard works is something called the Agent Manifest. It's a simple file that forces a tool to declare right up front exactly what it wants to do, whether that's read files, write files, or access the network. No more hidden surprises.
And we're talking incredibly specific. The manifest can't just ask for file access. Nope. It has to specifically request the ability to read a file or write to a file. It can't just ask to use the network. It has to say if it needs to act as a client or a server. It's that level of detail, that granularity, that makes this whole least privilege thing so powerful.
So what does this actually look like for a company trying to do the right thing? Well, it boils down to 3 key phases. First, you curate and isolate. You basically make a good list of trusted tools and you run them in their own little sandboxes. Second, you enforce rules, manage access, clean up inputs, and use strong authentication. And finally, you verify and update. You have to know where your tools come from and, of course, keep them patched. When you boil it all down, the ultimate goal here is to create something we're all actually really familiar with, an Android-style permission system for AI.
right? When you install an app on your phone, it has to ask you, hey, can this app access your photos? Can it use your mic? We're building that exact same common sense security model for the entire world of AI agents.
But the big question is always, okay, does all this security stuff slow everything down? And the answer is a resounding no. Research shows the performance hit from a framework like AgentBound is just zero point 0.6 milliseconds. That's nothing. It's completely negligible. It proves we can have top-notch security without killing performance.
This all brings us to a really crucial crossroads. The tools and the frameworks are now being built to tame this Wild West. We're finally moving towards a future where we can begin to trust our AI agents to operate safely and securely.
Which brings us to the biggest question of all. Can we build AI that we can truly, genuinely trust with access to our most sensitive data and our most critical systems? The answer isn't about building a smarter AI. It's about building a more secure one. It's about building the guardrails, not just a faster engine.
As AI agents become exponentially more powerful, and they will, securing them is no longer just some technical problem for engineers to solve. It is the foundational challenge for building a future where AI can be a safe, reliable, and ultimately trustworthy partner in our lives.